All right, guys. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the performance test. So this is gonna be an all-around video. I'm gonna run the shoes over. I'm gonna take them to the gym. I'm gonna run a few miles. You're gonna see a few clips of me run the treadmill just to see the overall feel of the shoe. And as we can see here, let's test out the launch method. Now, should we test out how long the shoe will last underwater? Comment below if you want to see that. But without further ado, let me just talk to you guys about the overall performance of the shoe. So, air bubble, I don't see it popping ever because of the such thick bottom it has. The only way I see you popping these if you take them out on a hike. As you can see, it's a very transparent, very overly, I guess, inflated air bubble. So, like I said, guys, you can wear these all day, and because of the such unique padding it has, you'll be fine wearing them all day. Let's get it going. All right, guys, so today is the giveaway. As you can see, these shoes are really dirty, so I'm not gonna put them on the counter, but I just want to show you guys the shoes. All right, guys. So as you guys saw last week, make sure you guys pull up the giveaway list. We're about to do the giveaway, see who the winner is. And like I said, we made it out of 50. Matter of fact, I'm gonna refresh the page so it's, so it's a clean page. So it's refreshed. I'll zoom it in right there. So it's out of 50. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready to win? So I'm gonna do it, like I said, I'm gonna do it 5 times. And at the 5th time, whatever number hits is the winner. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the winner, guy, right here. Ready? Lucky number 41. You are the winner. Congratulations. Make sure you either email me or I'll email you, see who it is on the list. Congratulations, you win yourself some VAPORMAX 3s. All right, guys, so comment down below whether you guys like Costco pizza, the combo. And we might have these Lebrons in the next giveaway sometime in December. So make sure y'all subscribe so you guys know and you guys could get in there. All right, guys. Peace. As you can see here, if that air bubble were to pop, the technology you're paying for would be worthless. So you'd have an imbalanced shoe, it would squeak or like air would come out, and therefore the Lebron 17 would be not worth it. '60s, '85s. I'm doing shoulders.